You suddenly think about someone you haven't spoken to in years. Minutes later, they call you. You dream about an event you've never experienced. And days later, something strangely similar happens. Was it coincidence? A subconscious prediction? Or did your mind somehow know what was coming? This strange experience is called a premonition. A premonition is generally described as a feeling, dream, or impression that seems to warn someone about a future event. For thousands of years, people have treated these experiences as signs. Ancient cultures interpreted dreams as messages from gods, spirits, or the future. In ancient Greece, some temples were famous for dream-based divination. And throughout history, people have claimed to receive warnings before disasters, deaths, or other major events. But there's an important distinction. The experience is real. People genuinely can experience a powerful feeling that something is about to happen. The question is whether that feeling actually predicts the future. And that's where the mystery becomes scientific. Human brains are prediction machines. Without us realizing it, our brains constantly analyze patterns, memories, emotions, and subtle information around us. Sometimes that process can produce a strong intuition. You might notice tiny changes in someone's voice, behavior, or routine without consciously recognizing them. Your brain may connect those clues before your conscious mind does. The result can feel almost supernatural. But there's another problem. We remember the predictions that seem correct far more easily than the thousands that go nowhere. Imagine having 20 strange feelings in a month. 19 mean nothing, but one happens to match a real event. That one can become unforgettable. Psychologists study related phenomena such as confirmation bias, selective memory, and hindsight bias. These can make a coincidence feel much more meaningful after the event occurs. So, can humans actually predict the future? There is currently no reliable scientific evidence showing that people can consistently receive information about future events through supernatural premonitions. Some experiments have explored claims involving precognition, but the subject remains controversial and researchers have not established a dependable method that demonstrates supernatural prediction. That doesn't mean every unexplained experience is meaningless. Sometimes intuition is incredibly useful. A person may sense danger because their brain has detected clues they haven't consciously processed. And sometimes, a coincidence is simply a coincidence. That's what makes premonitions so fascinating. The experience can feel deeply personal and completely real, while the explanation remains uncertain. Maybe your mind isn't seeing the future. Maybe it's quietly predicting possibilities. Or perhaps there are still questions about human consciousness that science hasn't fully answered. For now, the evidence gives us a fascinating middle ground. Premonitions are real as human experiences, but supernatural prediction remains unproven. And the next time you suddenly get that strange feeling that something is about to happen, ask yourself one question. Did you just glimpse the future? Or did your brain notice something before you did? This is the Belief Files, where strange beliefs meet modern evidence.